Good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back to the channel. You may have heard recently about SmallPond. SmallPond is a lightweight data processing framework built on the top of DuckDB and 3FS, which is very recently announced by DeepSeek AI, and it is really a big deal. So this is the official GitHub repository. It's a high-performance data processing powered by DuckDB, scalable to handle petabyte-scale dataset, easy to easy operation with no long-running services, right? And one of the amazing things that I found, let me see if I can quickly find that. I think it's somewhere here on the GitHub repository. I think they have tried here. Look at, just read at this. So we have evaluated SmallPond using gray sort benchmark script on a cluster comprising of 50 compute nodes and 25 storage nodes running 3FS. The benchmark sorted 110.5 terabytes of data in 30 minutes and 14 seconds. That is a big deal, right? Also, so I was curious and I was like, hey, how can I use it with S3? I tried on my local machine and I wanted to use it on S3. So I, posted this question and then I received a fork request. So here Mike has posted a fork request, which you can use to read data from S3. So let's take a look at that, right? So the way you can do it is pip3 install, then space git plus https://github.com/definite-app/smallpond git. So make sure you go ahead and install that. And then here you can see I am importing SmallPond and then I'm initializing SmallPond over here. And then I'm simply invoking the method read parquet. And this is going to use array behind the scenes and DuckDB, right? And here is my object store URI, S3 URI, and recursive is to true. And then I'm just doing a simple query. So you can try this out. So let's run the code. And here you can see, I can see the data frame printed on the console. So yeah, it is literally that easy. So go ahead and try out SmallPond and let me know what you think about SmallPond in the comment section below. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and the code snippets and the fork which is provided by Mike is also available in the GitHub. So go ahead and check it out. Thank you so much and I'll see you in the next video.